Hi, in front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Bluetooth section right away. Now click on the gray switcher at the top right corner and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear next to Paired Device and select Unpair under device name. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!